never did.
Look at this view. Getting my hair cut. Engine block for a work table. Oh yeah. Junk car. There's television. Cute girls on motorcycles. This is the life.
Tell everybody how much you pay for these haircuts.
Oh, I pay a lot. I pay a lot. Just put it on my tab.
Put it somewhere around
Here's the battery.
Maintenance Mike, you can't fix the Jeep?
No, I can't fix the Jeep. Plastic.
It's a Chrysler product. Alright, so we're going to do some investigating on our free engine. Mike, what's the biggest problem with our free engine?
It's stuck.
It's very, very stuck.
Seized boat anchor.
Yeah, it ain't moving. So we're going to start by draining it to see what's in it, or maybe not in it. The oil's kind of gross. If it is oil. Yeah. Oil plus water. We know there's no carb on it. Oh, and no rockers. So somebody's been here before us. You can get the intake manifold and the heads off and see what's going on in here. We're gonna take it apart. Is it gonna come apart, Mike?
Yeah, it's gonna come apart.
Well,
Pry bars.
it has to come apart. So let's assess the damage. Alright, let it rip. Oh my god, no. We're gonna need another bucket.
It smells good.
Is that mobile?
Oil.
Is that Mobile One? They've been running synthetic in this. Oh my god. That's even worse than I anticipated. Alright, well, let's dump that because there's still another 6 gallons of water in it. Oh my god.
You sure this wasn't a boat anchor?
It was a boat anchor. I think that was an animal.
You have a hazmat suit here?
Oh god. I don't know if it's empty or if we just hit enough, sucked enough sludge into the hole. Yep, sucked enough sludge into the hole. We found the oil! We found the oil! I just want to go on record that I stored the motor inside for the week that I had it. But somebody didn't for the years that it sat outside. Oh well, at least now we know why it's stuck. It's hydro locked. It'll probably turn right over now.
Let's try.
Go ahead, Mike. Give it a spin.
Nope.
Darn. I really thought that was gonna work. Oh my god. What do you think, Rebecca? Was it a good find or a bad?
No.
Is it the worst thing I brought home?
What's coming out of it?
Oh, that's us performing some preventative maintenance. Just the routine oil change.
Oh.
I think I saw an animal come out of it, I'm gonna be honest.
Really?
And a lot of water.
Ew, this is awful. I don't think you're gonna get it to work. What do you think, Mike?
I think we should have left it there.
Madison, what do you think?
Down.
Good? Is it gonna run?
Yeah.
Can Daddy fix it?
Yeah.
Not.
That one is.
Oh.
You're not honing it. You're not honing it. There's no hone job here.
They'll never know.
Quick! Break out the Chevy orange paint. We can rebuild this in an hour. $700 Facebook Marketplace. There's a spider walking around in here. Oh, here we go. Right. Oh my God, with the flathead screwdriver. Engine builders every. Oh my God. You know how
It's
many?
Chevy. It's used to getting rusty.
Do you know how many people are cringing at their televisions right now?
Hey, we're not engine builders.
And right there is the murder weapon. I'm not an engine builder, but I know that was wrong. I'm changing the t-shirt design. You're getting a screwdriver being ramrodded down the cylinder. That's the new Maintenance Mike t-shirt design. You know, thousands of people just watched you scratch the shit out. Oh, you can't even tell. We'll just edit that out. Oh, that one's seen better days. Darn it. Well, we're like 7 for 8. Come on. Oh, I guess that one's a little crappy. Good thing I didn't buy this.
But it was a fun trip getting a fun trip getting it.
I'd say that pickup's not clogged at all.
No.
I think it probably
I think it'll
be fine.
some brake cleaner and.
Hey, Mike, you want a milkshake? Mike, we had an accident. We're leaking. Oof. It's not good. It's not good at all.
Is anybody looking for a 307?
Free.
Free.
No. It's free. I can't get the bouncer off it.
Oh, you give me a hammer, we'll get that balancer off.
Huh?
Give me a hammer, we'll get that balancer off.
A hammer? Whoa, don't wreck the seal. We can reuse that.
What is it, headband?
I'm not putting that anywhere near my body. It's okay. We know it's the wrong puller and the wrong way to do it. We've acknowledged that. So don't remind us in the comments, please. Hey, Mike, I'd help you by holding the stand, but I'm filming, so I can't. And plus, I don't want to walk in that crap.
Yeah, I'll get those new shoes dirty.
We were going to reuse that. Sorry, old girl. That's not your new heart.
Anyone wants to get rid of a 350 in like a 20-mile radius.
The best part is when we were picking up the motor, I'll put the footage in. You can see Mike discover that the engine's totally seized up while I'm daydreaming about another 72 Nova. And I think at one point he even says, "Hey Dan, this motor's locked up." At which point I promptly reply, "We're taking it anyway. ATF will fix it." Actually, I think that's verbatim what I yelled down the driveway. Well, we'll find out. A lot of ATF will help that. Pull it out. Alright, so it's seen better days, but it's not crazy bad.
Definitely not original.
No?
20D, I think. No, 2CD.
Energizer. Yum. Garage looks like a murder happened. Alright guys, so it's been a few days since we tore down that motor, and as you could see from the videos, it's pretty rough. It's gonna need to be at least bored 30 over. We're gonna throw it on an engine stand. I still gotta get the crank and the pistons out of it, which I'll do. But the goal for this thing is to get it back together as quickly and cheaply as possible. And a total engine rebuild right now is not gonna be quick or cheap. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shelve that 307, because I'm thinking that later on we could do a pretty cool build series on like a Stroker 307 build. So we are gonna hang on to the free motor because it is rebuildable, but it's not gonna be for this project. What my theory is on what happened with this motor, however, is that way back when somebody ordered that cam, because that cam, besides the water damage, is in really, really nice shape. And so are the lifters. So my theory is that somebody ordered the cam, put the cam in it, realized that they were going to need different rockers, push rods, and just abandoned the install from there and never finished putting it back together. That's what it looks like to me. I could be wrong, but it's a good theory. So we are going to go back on the hunt for an engine for the blue car. So if anybody is close to central New Jersey and has a complete carb to pan distributor, all the accessories, 350, any older V8 motor that will work for this, let me know. Drop something down in the comments. We are on the hunt. Also, if you have a short tail turbo 350 trans, that would be super preferable as well. So drop something down in the comments, let me know, and let's see if we can make a deal. So that's going to be it for this one, and we will see you guys next time.